My laundry corner looks an absolute mess. It's time to give it a long overdue makeover. Okay, so first things first, I gave it a good wipe down, and all my containers that I wanted to put all my stuff in had already been pre-washed and cleaned, and the vibe I was going for was clean, crisp, with a little bit of texture. I'm sure everyone can relate with the ridiculousness that's going on now in terms of pricing. So I used to buy like the Persil detergent before, and it's gone up to like 35,000 naira from just about 10 or 11,000 naira. But anyway, that's the world we live in. So I'm just putting in all my bleach, my fabric softeners, everything I need to tip into other containers. I'm getting them sorted now. I've also been trying to change a lot of the brands I use to ones that are more affordable, because there's no reason why we need to be spending so much money on things that we literally use on laundry. I have the same issue with Ariel as well. I used to buy Vanish before, and also ridiculous. Let me know in the comment section which brand switch you've had to make recently due to the inflation we are currently experiencing. So I'm done putting in all my items into the containers. I'm now sticking on the labels on each of them so that everybody can know which item is what, just to avoid any mistakes. I also need to place them in a manner that is easily accessible and just makes like perfect sense, so you don't have to knock anything over when you're trying to reach out for other stuff. So yeah, this is me just trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work. And this, my darlings, is the final reveal. Let me know how you think I did in the comments, and how you basically place the items to make it accessible and functional. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.